The Wind Through the Valley is a 24 by 36 framed, without glass, mixed media by Donna Stauffer, Michelle Garman, Anna Langello, Crystal Lewis, Kyle Harris, Wendy Silliman, Nick Dewick, Jerry Shoemaker, and Candy Schultz. This collaborative work is texturally unparalleled. Each artist that worked on this piece left behind a touch of their own style and story. While there are many hands that helped to create this piece, it is undeniably cohesive and complex. In creating this piece, many of the artists expressed a sense of nostalgia and reminisced on fond memories.